Hello my dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Math Skill. Let's learn mathematics together. The aim of this channel is to help students overcome the fear of math by learning the concepts clearly. In this session, let's try to discuss about a MCQ for International Maths Olympiad, that is IMO. The MCQ is from the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes and it is a 2022 question. The numerical what we're going to solve is, there are two cylinders P and Q. The ratio of height of cylinder P to that of cylinder Q is 5:2 and the ratio of radius of cylinder P to that of radius of cylinder Q is 4:3. Then the ratio of volume of P to that of Q is, there are four options given. Now let us see how to solve the problem. I've noted down the problem. So it is given that there are two cylinders, cylinder P and cylinder Q, such that the ratio of height of cylinder P to that of cylinder Q is 5:2 and also the ratio of radius of cylinder P to that of cylinder Q is 4:3. We will have to find the ratio of volume of P to that of Q. Let's note down the given data. It is given that height of cylinder P is to height of cylinder Q is 5:2. Now let us assume the height of cylinder Q to be h units, which implies height of cylinder P would be 5h by 2 units. Similarly, let's note down the second given data, which is radius of P with respect to radius of Q is 4:3. Similarly, let us assume the radius of cylinder Q to be r units, which implies radius of cylinder P is equal to 4r by 3. Let's note down whatever we have assumed and then found out, so that let us try to find out the ratio of volume of cylinder P to that of cylinder Q. We have assumed the height of a cylinder Q and also radius of a cylinder Q as h and r units, which implied height of cylinder P would be 5h by 2 and radius of cylinder P is 4r by 3. We have to find out the volume of cylinder P by volume of cylinder Q. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Therefore, for cylinder P, radius is 4r by 3 and height is 5h by 2. Therefore, pi into r square is 4r by 3 whole square multiplied by height is 5h by 2. Whereas for cylinder Q, radius and height are r and h, that is pi r square h. Now we see that here in numerator as well as in denominator there is pi and also h. Let's cancel both. Also, in order to simplify this 4 by 3 r whole square, we will apply trigonometric identity a by b whole power m and also a into b whole power m, which basically means that the exponent or power 2 should be given to all the terms within the bracket. That is 4r by 3 whole square would be 4 square, that is 16, into r square divided by 3 square, that is 9. And we are left with, after cancellation, 5 by 2 whole divided by r square. Now again we see that in numerator as well as in denominator we see r square. Therefore, this also gets cancelled. We would be left with, and also here we have 2 and also 16. So 2 8s are 16. So this also gets simplified. Now we would be left with 8 by 9 multiplied by 5. So 8 5s is 40. 40 divided by 9. This is the required answer. Therefore, the answer for this particular MCQ is option C, which is 40:9. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.